Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. In today's class, we are going to learn IPA. Now, the question is, what is IPA? Well, IPA stands for I for International, P for Phonetics, A for Alphabet. That means International Phonetics Alphabet. In English, there are 44 sounds and they are called IPA. So, the number of IPAs are 44. 44 IPAs are divided into two parts. There are consonant sounds and vowel sounds. First, let's look at the 24 consonant sounds. These consonant sounds are divided into two parts: voiced consonant and voiceless consonant. When you're pronouncing the sound and your throat vibrates, that sound is called a voiced consonant sound. On the other hand, when you're pronouncing the sound and your throat doesn't vibrate, that sound is called a voiceless consonant sound. So now let's practice 24 consonant sounds. Pa, 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 pad. B, 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 bed. T, 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 time. D, 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 dime. K, 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 king. G, 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 go. Ch, 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 chin. G, 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 gin. Th, 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 thanks. The, this. Yeah, 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 yes. Worst. Ma, man. Na, none. In, ring. La, light. Ra, right. Ha, height. Thank you everyone. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.